Hopefully everybody is doing well today. Today I will be trying the donut burger. I just finished making some. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Of course I have donuts on the top and bottom for the buns. And then I have bacon and I have shredded cheese on the hamburger meat. I didn't put any mayo or mustard on it today because I thought it was going to be like too much. I will probably end up throwing up if I actually put the mayo and mustard because of the actual sweetness of the donut. And I have some fries as well. I'm not for sure if I'm going to eat the fries depending on the actual taste together, but I'll be trying it today just to see how it is. I guess I'm just going to get started. Kind of anxious to taste it. And the donuts are still kind of warm because I warmed them up a little bit in the oven again after I bought them. So, it's pretty good. It's actually interesting. Really interesting. I didn't expect, well, I expected it to be sweet or whatever, but I guess the seasoning that I put in the burger kind of set it off a little bit. So yeah, it's not what I expected to be or whatever, because I thought it was just gonna be overly sweet. It's all right. I wouldn't eat it every day or every time I had a burger though. I'm just hoping I don't end up having a heart attack or high blood pressure or whatever. Yeah. It's alright. Hopefully you'll get the fair. Yeah. I don't think I should have drunk the soda with this because it's like too much sweetness. So now I'm about to wash it down with some water. Okay. Oh, it was kind of too much, but it's still pretty okay. Can't believe Luther Vandross used to eat this. They call it the Luther Vandross burger. Couldn't imagine eating this and actually liking it, but different people. Yes, too. Wait. Too sweet. It would have been pretty good if you got a donut that didn't have much sugar in it. I guess I shouldn't have got the actual glazed donut because this is like overkill. Over sweetness. Jeez. Somebody can mess up a perfectly good burger by eating this like this. But it's me. I'm gonna try to finish it out. Jeez. But what do everybody got planned for New Year's? My mom just texted me and asked how's the burger going. It's interesting. But yeah, what do everybody got planned for New Year's? I really don't know yet, to be honest. I really don't know. Excuse me. Contemplating life. Eating this name burger. This is weird. Really weird. I guess if it was for a kid or whatever, people that really, really like sweets, they could eat it every day, but the excuse me, the actual donut, the glazed donut is like overwhelming. If you have a good seasoned patty, it's gonna the donut is gonna basically overthrow the patty. So yeah, this sweetness is like literally overwhelming. I think this is the dang I can't think right now. The bacon that I do have is just regular bacon. It's not maple bacon. So it's just all the glazed donut that's like really overpowering everything. So you can taste with every bite. But when I first took a bite, it was just like the hamburger meat, because I kind of seasoned it really well. It kind of was having a nice blend, but once you started eating it more and more, it was just like starting to get nasty. So yeah. Jeez. For kids, for real. Or somebody, whoever likes sweets. This is, boy. But I wanted to try it. But trying to just finish the rest of this. I don't know what I have planned for New Year's. I know I'm probably gonna be spending time with my mom, my little brother. So yeah. That's about it. Hopefully everybody having a good holiday so far and a happy new year. I can't believe it went by this fast. This year was pretty good. I'm just glad I'm making it to 2019. I just didn't expect it to go by as fast, to be honest. I know these fries don't go at all with this sandwich, but I'm just eating it. Yeah. I started trying to make a video every day. Like lately, since I started this new job, I've been just coming home, going straight to sleep. I really haven't felt a need to actually get on like this. So it's been like work home type stuff, but I haven't really felt the need to actually get on YouTube lately, if that makes sense. I'm literally tired of eating this burger. They're trying to kill people with this same burger, my bad. We're trying to kill people, I see. I'm just trying to hurry up and chew so I can wash this crap down. Very, very interesting. I'm still, well, I actually have another job now. It's a different kind of atmosphere and a whole new cultural that I'm basically walking into. It's a little bit different or whatever, but I want to find another job. So, yeah. That was really interesting. Really interesting. I wouldn't eat again, but it was interesting. I can't. I'm just about to stick to my regular food. Nothing that be on YouTube, whatever. Stick to my regular dang food. So this is overwhelming, literally. But yeah, that was my donut burger. Probably not. I'm gonna eat finish eating the fries when I take a break, because this is like literally too much sweetness and it's just like overwhelming. I can probably do like a sweet roll bun, but not no freaking donuts on a burger. Doesn't match. Couldn't do it. Man, I have like 3 or 4 more burgers left, and I'm not about to eat those, especially with these donuts. I have like 10 more donuts left, so I'm about to eat it with this. Kind of turned me off on donuts for a while. I know that. Excuse me. Thank God I'm finally finished with that. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys have a happy new year. If I don't see you guys by that time, or if I don't upload a video, happy New Year's, and hopefully everybody is having a great weekend so far. Take care. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon.